To replace the filters, we're going to start by removing the scarf to make it easier to see, but you can also replace them without removing it. Use the scarf to set the mask on to avoid scratching the dome. Remove the two side pads so that you can easily access the filters. You can leave the middle pad in place. To remove the old filters, grab one of the ends and pull it out. They are attached with Velcro for an easy removal. When installing the new filters, you will see that the ends of the filters are labeled with either side or top/bottom. The top/bottom ends go either on the top or bottom end of the mask frame. The side ends will always point towards the side of the frame. Start by pressing the top/bottom end in first, and then do the same on the side end. Now repeat the process with the others. To make sure you have installed them correctly, the top/bottom ends should be facing each other on the top and bottom ends of the frame. Now you can replace the pads and scarf, and you're ready to go. For a detailed video on applying the scarf properly, check out the scarf cleaning tutorial.